What if your AI could search through thousands of your documents and give you the perfect answer every time? That's RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation, and it's changing how we use AI. Here's the problem with regular AI. Language models like Claude or GPT are trained on public data up to a cutoff date. They don't know about your company's internal docs, your product catalog, or last week's meeting notes. Ask them a specific question about your data, and they'll either make something up, that's called hallucination, or just say they don't know. Neither is helpful. RAG solves this with a simple but powerful idea. Before the AI answers your question, it searches your documents first. Think of it like giving the AI an open book exam instead of a closed book one. The process has two steps. First, retrieval. The system searches a database of your documents and finds the most relevant passages. Second, generation. Those passages are fed to the language model as context, and it generates an answer based on your actual data. The AI isn't guessing anymore. It's reading and answering. The secret sauce is how the search works. Traditional search matches keywords. If you search for shipping delay, it only finds documents containing those exact words. RAG uses something called vector search, which matches meaning instead of words. Here's how. An embedding model converts your question into a list of numbers called a vector. It does the same for every document in your database. Documents with similar meanings end up close together in this number space. So when you ask about a shipping delay, the system finds documents about late deliveries, delayed orders, and logistics issues, even if they never use the word shipping. It understands the concept, not just the keywords. Building a RAG system follows a clear pipeline. Step 1, load your documents, PDFs, web pages, databases, whatever you have. Step 2, chunk them into smaller passages, usually 500 to 1,000 characters each. Step 3, convert each chunk into a vector using an embedding model. Step 4, store those vectors in a vector database like Pinecone or ChromaDB. That's the setup phase. Now when a user asks a question, Step 5, convert the question into a vector. Step 6, search the database for the closest matching chunks. Step 7, send those chunks plus the question to your language model. Out comes an accurate, grounded answer. This isn't theoretical. Companies are using RAG right now. Customer support bots that answer questions using your actual help docs instead of generic responses. Legal teams searching through thousands of contracts to find specific clauses in seconds. Medical systems that reference the latest research papers when answering clinical questions. Every enterprise AI application you've heard about in 2026 has RAG at its core. Let's recap. RAG combines a language model with a search system. It searches your documents first, then generates answers based on what it finds. Vector search matches meaning, not just keywords. The pipeline is load, chunk, embed, store, then query, retrieve, generate. And the best part? You can build a working RAG system in under 50 lines of Python. If you want to build your own RAG pipeline, check out our step-by-step tutorial on the blog. Link in the description. Hit subscribe for more AI engineering content every day. Next up, we're diving into vector databases, the engine that makes RAG possible.